What's up, YouTube? I'm going to make this quick video nice and brief to replace your stock hand grips with aftermarket hand grips. These particular ones are Pro Grip off of Amazon, like 15 bucks, easy. I've already removed the non-throttle side because that's typically easier. Now I will say you can just go ahead and use a razor blade to just cut straight across the rubber. Make sure you don't cut yourself if you just know you're going to toss these. I kind of want to keep hold of my stock hand grips just to have an extra set. So I find that the 3mm T-handle works the best. Just kind of fold up the lip, make sure you insert it over the throttle tube, between the rubber and throttle tube. Kind of jam it in there, work it, work it, work it, work it to the end, and just kind of, and you'll hear it. Let's see, I'll be quiet for a second. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but there's little creaks, or cracks I guess I'll say, kind of sound, little pops, and it's the residue of the adhesive that the factory applies. There you go. And then once you get it around, see, now I'm able to take this T-handle. Let's see if I can do it so you can see it. And basically, look at this. Kind of work it all the way around. So now there's really nothing holding it on. Now let's get it towards the end there. I'm gonna lift it up and create a little lip between rubber and housing. I got some WD-40. I'm gonna shoot it in there, basically lubricate it. After which you are going to use isopropyl alcohol, or well, you can use this or rubbing alcohol, but you're gonna use it as a makeshift lubrication to slide the new grip on, and once it goes on, the alcohol is going to evaporate off, and then you don't actually need, contrary to popular belief, as long as you have the right hand grips to your handlebars, like 7/8 inch, then you'll be fine. They're going to dry, and they're going to be essentially the same hold as if they were actually applied. Let me show you this. I'm going to stick it in as far as the straw can go. Gravity will carry it up. Left the straw in there. Gravity will keep it down. I'm gonna work this around. See how I can do it. Single hand now. And then, boom. Easy. Of course, before you put the new grips on, you want to use that alcohol to clean this surface so you don't have that actual residue on there. Not residue, but you know, WD-40 residue. And then good to go. Hope that made it easy.